Hey guys and gals, what's going on? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video of a little bit of everything. So in this video, we're going to talk about what I've created. So if you want to know what that is, stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you heard from my intro, I've gone ahead and created something, and of course you probably know what it is by looking at the title. So yes, guys and gals, I have created an OnlyFans account. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. So the reason why I created this OnlyFans account is because, you know, I just wanted to like fully express my creativity. And on YouTube, I kind of feel like I'm a little restricted with what I can and can't do. So as far as it stands with OnlyFans, you can pretty much do anything. And I think we know, I mean, anything. But we're not getting into that because that's not what I'm going to be doing on there. Literally, what I'm going to be doing on there is more try-on hauls, but it's just the try-on hauls that I probably shouldn't put up on YouTube because they could be a little bit risque as far as swimsuits is concerned or lingerie is concerned. I mean, I know you guys see my last lingerie video. That's up there. I might be pulling them down. I'm not too sure yet. But I don't want my page demonetized, guys and gals. So that is why I am choosing to create this OnlyFans account so that I can go ahead and utilize this platform to its full potential as far as, you know, what I want to wear, when I want to wear it, and how I want to wear it. And not have to be worried about you're not in the guidelines and you're not following procedures and all this blah, blah, blah. Now, don't get it twisted. I'm still going to be here on YouTube once a week, uploading every Sunday like I used to do. So yes, I did go back to once a week. I know I was doing like twice a week. And, you know, I was trying to, you know, keep up and do all of this and do that. But I said, you know what? I have a full-time job, people. Okay, I love you guys to the moon and back. But I have a full-time job, so right about now, once a week is what I can do, and I will stick to that routine. You guys will see me on Sunday, and hopefully you guys will see me on my OnlyFans page. So I'll leave the links for all of that good stuff below. Yeah, so that pretty much concludes this video. Like I said, I love you guys to the moon and back. Oh, and I will also have a video dropping on Sunday. Duh. Like I just said, videos will be out on Sunday. So, all right. Until then, peace.